Well, the old camper van is starting to come together. Just put a new rack on it. Got new headlights, parking lights, everything painted up clean, even underneath. Guess you can't see it. Let me see. Maybe you can see under there. All new tie rods, ball joints. It's under there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh. Anyway, starting to come together. I put those tires on that I bought. Look like brand new ones. At a junkyard. Got me some tow mirrors. Brand new. Put them on. There's my racks. I've got to still do some body work. Got a dent. Right here is going to have to be fixed. We can't have that. Got one here. I didn't do none of them. It came that way. You know, I drive better than that. Anyway, got one here. Got to get that fixed. I've lost my hubcaps on this side. I guess I'll need to replace those. I'll have to get on the phone and try to find some. Anyway, we got more to do. Got some more goodies for it coming. Let's see what we got here in a little bit. Well, inside I took those old seat belts out. Got those out of the way. Not hanging down. I'm gonna put me a few covers on like that over there with some pouches. I got a cabinet. What do you call it? Camp cabinet, I guess. It's gonna stand up way up here to the top. I think it's got 3 or 4 cabinets in it that closes up. That'll hold a bunch of our junk that we're gonna have in here. Finally got the headliner in. Brand new headliner. I can still do that. Hadn't done one in years, but still works the same old way. We hadn't decided what we're going to do inside yet. I think we're going to have to just put an air mattress in. When we're carrying our bikes, they'll sit over here. Then, once we pull them out at night to sleep, we'll put an air mattress here. We don't know yet. That's what we're thinking. Probably work best. And I think we're going to buy one of those tents that fit on the back side of the van. Take our bicycles out, put them in a tent that's connected to the back of the van. That's our plan right now. That could change. What else have I done? Let me think. Under the hood, we put new radiator hoses, heater hoses. It's already got a new alternator on it. Come with it. New belt. Should be in pretty good shape under there. Yeah, of course, I changed the oil in it. Forgot about my new running boards. I really like those. I think you already seen those. I believe that cabinet I was talking about, I just got it in the mail. Let's open it up and see. Put a towel or blanket down because my floors are dirty. Starting to think now my towel's dirtier than the floor. Yeah, it's a body shop. Wasn't dirty, I wouldn't do nothing. Oh, don't cut nothing. set. I think it's going to take a while to get it opened up. I'll just get open and I'll turn you back on. Well, I got all the pieces off of it. It's a lot of those I have to get off. Set your lid on top. That's what you get. Looks pretty nice. Nothing to putting it together. All you do is just pick it up. It opens up. A few pouches here. I think it's actually made you can maybe cook on top of it. Keep your canned goods, pots and pans, whatever. Let's see what it looks like inside. Haven't looked myself yet. Oh, yeah. Let's see. You go on the inside. That looks easy enough. Are you ready? Pretty good. See what it looks like inside the van. Hope it fits. Well, it did with the tape line anyway. Let's see. Gonna be close. Oh, my tape line was wrong. Let's go in there. Hold the chairs. Oh yeah. Got a portable toilet now. Shoot, we're ready. That might come in real handy someday. I almost guarantee it. Got something here I'll show you too. You ain't gonna believe this. That'll be on another video. Yeah. See if it'll work. It's gonna be close. And here we go. See if it's gonna fit or it won't. Close. Oh man. Perfect. Couldn't have got one fit no better. Exactly where I wanted it. I don't have it very often. See. It's gonna work good. I'll have to attach it somehow here. That way it don't turn over when I drive crazy. It's pretty steady. It's gonna work better than I thought. Let's go camping. Well, I'd give you the name on it, but it don't seem to have one. Let's see. There's something. Get it out. Let's see. Patio Joy. NP 10176. Folding storage cabinet. That might tell you something. Only thing I know, I bought it off Amazon. I think that's what it's called, folding storage cabinet. I think I put camper cabinet. I'll find one. They come in different heights. Pick out the one you want. Go get it. Tell them I sent you. It won't help a bit. I just found something else useful. Take that top off. Look at that. Makes you a table right between the front chairs. That'll work. Judy can sit here. I'll sit over there. We only had hamburgers.